All right, guys, here we are, the Rio. Everybody says it's not a good hotel, but I can't complain. We are in a standard room, room 345. Let's take a look. All Suites Rio Hotel. So first you come in, you got your nice big bathroom with a vanity on the side, single sink. You know, I'm good with that. Only me. Got a second sink in there. Commode. Nice stand-up shower. And let's take a look, go back around. Ironing board if you need one. Adjoining room if you had a second party. And then we have a view of the pool out there. I'm only on the third floor, so it's not a high view. Got a nice sofa, nice king size bed. Spot to sit over by the window over there. Let's pan back around. This is even nicer than the horseshoe. We got looks like a cooler of some sort over there, and then let's see what's in these cabinets. This one is just a place to put stuff, and this one over here is, let's find out. Oh, that is drawers, so if you're going to be here for a while you can put stuff in there. This looks like it's a little fridge and a cooler and a spot for putting bottles. It's cold. Okay. Now let's pan back around, look outside. We got a nice view of the pool out there. Looks like everybody's out having fun. Zoom in on that. Probably won't be partaking in swimming activities because I'm here for a show. There is Caesars in the background. And we got the Link high roller over there. This is the Ipanema tower in the back, and then you got the Rio Big Tower right there that's still under renovation. The new group that bought it apparently is adding on. So, or they're not adding, they're renovating the whole place. So another pan back around, show you the room from the window side. Oh, we didn't even show the big flat screen on the wall. So we do have a nice flat screen TV. We'll do another quick, because we're at only 2 minutes and 18 seconds. We'll go back here and do a full pan around the room. Show you guys what you got. So there you go. $45 a night, no resort fees if you're a club card holder.